Please create a rectangular duct route from space 542 through space 540 and end in space 548. The duct size is 800 by 400 and elevation is 3.4 meters. Since this is supply air, it would be good to create a return air as well right away. So we will use a combination of copy and move commands. So please copy the whole route to the left for 1.2 meters and then move up for 1.5 meters. Please change the system type to return air. It is important to know that by moving space centers, you can also change the start and end point. Please create a pipe route from space 542 through space 519 and end in space 548. Pipe diameter is 65 and elevation is 3.5 meters. Create multiple parallel pipes, 3 pipes at 300 millimeters distance. Now we can also create some cable trays. For example, we can move the center. Please create a cable tray route from space 542 to space 543 and end in space 548. Size is 400 by 50, elevation 3.6 meters. Some simple cable trays. Please create a cable tray 600 by 50 from space 542 to space 511 at 3.5 meters elevation. Now you can move elements like this. Please move selected elements 700 millimeters to the left. Now we can create a section here. Please create a vertical section through space 498 and 496. Please move the section 5 meters to the right. Okay. Please move the element up for 300 millimeters. Please move the section to the left for 1.5 meters. Please move the element to the left for 1.2 meters.